Imagine a world where our roads do more than just get us from point A to point B. What if they could power our homes, our cities, and even our cars? Harnessing the power of the sun, solar panel roads are turning this dream into a reality. Consider this case study. In a region where sunlight is abundant and roads stretch across vast expanses, a leading construction firm in the Middle East is revolutionizing the way we think about energy consumption. They're replacing traditional asphalt roads with robust modular solar panel roads. This innovative approach involves a blend of civil, electrical, and mechanical engineering. Existing roads are torn down to install solar panels, beneath which specialized circuits and wiring systems are placed. These panels are available in full, half, and quarter proportions, each with different watt ratings. But how do these roads work? They capture the sun's energy using photovoltaic cells. These cells convert the sunlight into electricity, which illuminates LED signs, replacing the need for paint and traditional road signs. More importantly, this electricity can power household appliances and even charge electric cars in parking lots or rest stops. The benefits of solar panel roads extend beyond mere energy production. They're also a source of revenue. These roads can generate income by selling excess electricity, transporting clean stormwater to municipalities or agricultural centers, leasing the roadside conduit to utility companies, or even selling advertising space in parking lots with configurable LEDs. Moreover, these roads significantly reduce maintenance costs. The LED displays eliminate the need for road signs and paint, while the self-sustaining nature of the panels negates the use of inbuilt heating elements. This means more electricity can be stored, and the roads essentially pay for themselves over time. Furthermore, the repair process for these roads is much quicker and easier than traditional asphalt roads. In the United States alone, over $160 billion is lost each year in productivity due to traffic caused by road maintenance. Solar panel roads could help to drastically reduce this figure. Now, imagine what this could mean on a global scale. The adoption of solar panel roads could virtually wean the world off oil, drastically reducing our carbon footprint and paving the way for a more sustainable future. It's clear that solar panel roads are more than just a novelty. They're a viable solution to many of the energy and infrastructure challenges we face today. But their success depends largely on government regulations and public support. So it's time to take action. Advocate for the adoption of solar panel roads. Support policies and initiatives that encourage this kind of innovation. Together we can harness the power of the sun to create a brighter, more sustainable future.